how to clone a page in Leadsleap. Right, you go to Leadsleap and you scroll down to page manager there. So you click that link and this comes up. Okay. Now, I've just made you add a new page campaign just like that, and you put your title in, and then you add a new page design. Now, if you've got the link from the person that sent it you actually ta-da! So now you can edit it. Okay. So you launch the editor. Right, if you go here, I didn't realise that is a block of text that Terry's put in separately. So what we're going to do is, if it's a one link thing, you click on the link, you highlight the link, and then you put your URL in there. Okay. So then it's your link and you get the commission. So that's how to edit it. If you wanted to edit anything else out, you just use the text editor as normal. So if you want these bonuses of all these traffic exchanges, you have to join I can't remember the name, Fast Forced Profits with me. Click the link below. Bye, guys.